It's a 2015 Chevrolet Cruze. Forge a bold path with its beautiful fusion of style and efficiency, with a sporty presence and liberating economy. Not only does this Cruze provide spacious cargo room and impressive features, it's also infused with versatility. Introduce this ride to your Bluetooth-capable devices, while Wi-Fi joins you for every trip, thanks to OnStar with 4G LTE capability. Class-leading standard safety features, 10 airbags, and StabiliTrak keep you protected and in control each time you get behind the wheel.
The heated seats keep you comfortable no matter how cold it is. Bluetooth wireless technology keeps you in command and in touch. The leather seat trim offers style and durability.
This Cruze is the edge you've been looking for. Take it for a test drive today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.